There was one policeman who was discharged for illegal drugs. And accordingly, sabi mismo ng misis niya, Sir, kaya po laging nagwawala na naman itong mister ko dahil bumalik uli sa droga. So in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganoon lang, sir.
Lahat itong sa right side ko, dumaan ito ng Chief of Police, Police Director. Puro commander ng death squad yan.
What? 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 What?
Lahat yan sila, ko ito, si Dandaw, ayan o. Ayan, nagdadasal kasi sa kasalanan niya siguro. Magkano bang, ilan bang pinatay mo? Ang sinabi ko, ganito, prangkahan tayo, encourage the criminals to fight. Encourage them to draw their guns. Encourage, pati yan si De La Rosa, encourage them lumaban. Pagka lumaban, patayin ninyo para matapos na ang problema ko sa siyudad ko.
So in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganoon lang, sir.
Now I'm really mad.
Anong circumstances? Meaning, pinatay ninyo, paano?
Eh, sir, lumaban, sir, eh.
No. 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 No.